Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on to get notified for a future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp verification code error. So basically, the simple way to explain this is this error occurs when you try to retrieve your verification code a lot of times. So let's say I try to, get my verification code 10 or 20 times within like an hour, then this problem occurs. So the basic way to fix this problem is to clear the data of WhatsApp. So what this means is basically I'm gonna offload WhatsApp. So for this I'm gonna go on setting. Now remember, the setting interface on different Android is different. So if you guys have problem on how to offload app on your phone, you can basically go on YouTube and search for how to offload apps on your phone. It's basically like offloading any app, like for WhatsApp as well. So I'm on my phone, I'm gonna go on app management, and on app management I'm gonna go on WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp over here. I can click on WhatsApp, I can click on storage usage, and I can click on clear data over here and click on clear. So this basically clears all the data of my WhatsApp. Now if I go back to WhatsApp over here and do all the basic things when you log into your WhatsApp, click on agree and continue and enter your phone number over here. And after entering your phone number, you should receive your verification code and it should fix your verification code error. But if it doesn't fixes it, then the other reason might be because of your data connection issue. Like if your SIM card or your SIM card provider company is facing some issue right now, then you won't be able to receive the code because of the connection issue error. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to answer them and fix your problem. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.